Here it is, day 8 already of the 12 days of Christmas. I am super excited to show you Quilt As You Go from June Tailor. You know how I love June Tailor Quilt As You Go. I've done several how-to videos on Quilt As You Go. If you haven't tried it before, we've got lots of videos to watch. But we have some brand new June Tailor for you to see. Let me show you. First up, brand spanking new from Quilt Market is the hanging towel kit. So you personalize it with the fabric you want, and you've got a hanging towel for your oven door or your refrigerator door. Also from June Tailor are the wine bottle totes. These are really popular for gifts, especially around Christmas time and in the summer. Then we have the Venice Placemat. You've seen these before. There's a how-to video. It has a pocket to hold your cutlery. Next up, the Casablanca Placemat. It's new. We can't wait to show you our new sample. I think it's here in a couple of days. And one of the favorites in our store, the Christmas tree skirt. This is a fast and fun way to create quilting projects. Again, you can see our how-to videos and learn how to do it. Here's something new and exciting, our wooden ruler rack. We brought this home from Quilt Market and we love it. Right now, there are 17 rulers in the ruler rack and there's room for more. You can see I have my standard everyday larger rulers on the bottom. And then I filled it up with odd shapes, smaller rulers on top, and I have room for more. And that's neat, but check this out. The slot in the back is holding my Big Easy, a 16.5-inch square, and a stripology ruler. You can even put your small cutting mats in the wooden ruler rack. What a great way to organize and save space in your sewing space. The stocking stuffer for day 8 is something I use at home all the time. The magic seam wand. You use the magic seam wand when you can't use an iron, like on fusible batting, or when you're doing paper piecing or even quilt as you go. You simply use the wand to press your seam. You can also use the wand to press seams open. And here's something that I do all the time. I can place the beveled edge of my wand on my iron for 6 to 10 seconds to heat it up, and then use it, and it's almost like using an iron when you're pressing your seam. The magic seam wand is day 8's stocking stuffer. That's the conclusion of day 8. I showed you the June Tailor wine bottle tote, the Venice placemats, the Casablanca placemats, the Christmas tree skirt, and the brand new towel toppers, Quilt As You Go from June Tailor. I also showed you our brand new wooden ruler rack, a great way to organize all your rulers at home. And today's stocking stuffer was the magic seam wand. Tomorrow's day 9. Join me for day 9 of the 12 days of Christmas.